Hello children, now we are doing what? Tokens. Okay, so now today's I will tell you the other tokens. Okay, so first one is your identifier. Okay, first one is what? Identifier. In today's first one is what? Identifier. So now pay attention here. Identifier means what? Names is indicating here. Its name is indicating here कि ये identifier means identity करने वाला. So what is the meaning of this one? It is the name of variables. Always identifier is used to identify the variables. Okay, identify the variables, literals, functions, and class. Okay, function and class I will explain later, but here what is the meaning of identifiers? Identifier means what? Name of the variables, name of the class, name of the function, name of the literals. Clear? Just like you, suppose आपका कोई नाम है, that your name is what? Your identity. Clear? So identifier means what? Name of the things. Okay, so you can see here int pq. So for example, I have given here int pq. Pq is what? This is the identifier. Suppose you write sometimes int a. So a is what? Identifier, because a is a name. Okay, so this is the example identifier. Suppose you sometimes you write in a class abc. So abc is what? Name of the class. That's why abc is what? Identifier. Okay, so now come on the next topic, variable. Variables are what? Variables are used to store the values. Okay, variables are used to store the values. Okay, so now means variables holds the value. Suppose when we write here int a equals to 5. So now this 5 will go in a. Okay, so when we write int a, the computer allocates a memory. This memory is called variable, or what is the name of this memory? Is name is what? A. So this name is identifier, but the memory which one is allocating by computer, that is called variable. So this memory will hold this 5. Okay, so little difference between identifier and variable. What? When we write any integer, okay, so computer will allocate one memory. That memory is called, that location is called variable, or name of that variable is called identifier. Clear? So same thing here. That's why you can see here variables holds the values. Okay, it is an address of values. Okay, int a equals to 10. When you are writing, once again one memory will be allocated here. Its name is what? A. 10 will be here. So this is the address where is 10. Okay, so same thing, variables are what? Variables are used to hold the values. Okay, it is the address of the values. Next one, rule for naming a variable. Rules for means what rules you will apply to take the name of the variables. The first rule is what? You can see here, variables may have any number. Clear? May have any number of characters, means any character you can use. Okay, second one is what? It may contains alphabet, digit, dollar sign. Okay, so first one you can see here, variable may have any number of characters. कोई भी character हो सकता है, कितने number का भी हो सकता है. It may contains alphabets, digits, dollar sign. Means what? Suppose any variable name you are writing here int p q r 2, ये भी ले सकते हैं, because this is a combination, this name is a combination of what? Alphabets and numbers. So this is called alphanumeric. Clear? So it may contain alphabets, digits, dollar sign you can also use. Means what? $5 a, या फिर a $3. This type of name you can take. Clear? The next one is what? Underscore also you can use. Suppose a, you can't put any space between name. Okay, this one A5 you can't write here. If you want to put the space, you put here underscore. So this one is the right one. Clear? कोई भी नाम लेंगे उसमें space नहीं put कर सकते हैं. Next one is the underscore can be used between characters, already written. This, there should not be space between name, this one is I have already told. Variable name should be meaningful. Meaningful means what? Suppose you are writing a program to add two numbers, so you will take the name what? Suppose class, you write na, so you write here total, this type of name. Meaningful means what? यही होता है. Suppose you are taking any integer int, you want to store integer value, so a लेते हैं चलेगा. But suppose you want to store your name, so name variable is beneficial. Means what? Suppose करो आपका नाम है, तो आपका नाम किसी एनिमल का नाम नहीं हो सकता. Clear? Because ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आपका नाम ह्यूमन बींग्स का. वैसे ही if you are naming anything, any variable, okay, taking, so that name should be meaningful. Next one, assignment. It is used to assign right side value. Assignment is what? This one, I am talking about this operator. This operator is used to assign the right side value in left side variable. Clear? It is used to assign right side value in left side variable. Clear? Right side value in left side variable. Its sign is what? This one. Clear? So now come on the, for example, a equals to 10 means what? 10 will go in A. Clear? Next, punctuator. It is a punctuation sign used as special characters in Java. Clear? Some punctuators is given here. You can see question mark, dot, semicolon, etc. These are the punctuator signs. So now separators. So you can see a separators means what? Which one is separate anything? Suppose A you are writing, after A you want to write, so you will separate with the comma. And finally you can see separate, see here, and this is a semicolon. So these are what separators. Sometimes you use here this one. This code is separated with between two brackets. So these are the separators, comma, comma, semicolon, brackets. These are what? Separators. Clear? So now next one is what? Operator. Okay, operators. Operator. These are symbols used for specific task. Operators are what? Symbols. Symbols means what? Suppose plus, minus. These are what? Symbols. It is used for a specific task. Basically, operators perform mathematical and logical operations. Clear? So for example, a plus b. A plus b. So plus is what? Operator, and a and b is what? A and B are what? These are the operands, and plus is what? Operators. So like this one, A into B, A and B both are what? Operands, but star, this one's a multiply sign. Okay. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words. Keywords are what? Reserved words. Special meaning. They have the special meaning. Means keywords are reserved words which convey special meaning to the compiler. Suppose you are writing int. So compiler can easily understand that A will hold any integer value. Int is not showing integer, but it is fixed in compiler. Int means what? Int means what? Integer value. Okay. So same thing here. Float, the words which have the special meaning. Okay, that is called what? Keywords. Means look here. Keywords are reserved words which convey special meaning to compiler. For example, int, float, class, these are. What is here? Write and learn. You can use, no, this is not for you. This is not for you. This one is already extra one. So till here you do. Clear? So now